Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, 5th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 if we see low risk opportunities. As you see from the macro chart of 1 hour, the price started to go up during the London session and continued to go up on all E-minis. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go up on all E-minis, and it shows a strong uptrend. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the price to have a pullback, and when the buyers come back, take long positions repeatedly and ride this uptrend wave. So stay tuned, and we're gonna update you with any trade that we're gonna take today. So we're back and waited for a deeper pullback, and as you see, the price got rejected at this level. So we're entering some positions not to miss the trend, and also set limit orders in the lower part of channel and try to fill these positions when we see the buyers are strong and we get a good price to fill our orders, and set also limit orders for the profit taking. And now we're waiting on S&P 500 and Nasdaq to see if the buyers come back, and we just reached our target on S&P 500, and also we reached all targets on the Nasdaq. So we come back again when we have a deeper pullback and enter in the lower area of the channel. So we're back again, and the price had a good pullback, and it seems the buyers are strong and won't let the price go further down. So we enter some light positions here and managing these positions with limit order, and we just close this also with profit on Nasdaq. So we're done for the day, and let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. As you see, the result is positive, showing profit factor of 99, which is infinite because we had 100% win rate. So average win to loss ratio cannot be calculated, and the average winning trades were 188, and the largest winning trade was $465. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.